Did you know that Domino's uses over 500 pounds of dough every 5 minutes in their factories? That's right, you heard me correctly. 500 pounds. This staggering amount is just the beginning of what goes into making their famous, or should I say infamous, pizzas. We're talking about an empire of dough, a tidal wave of flour and water, all destined to become those square slices we know so well. It's a testament to the sheer scale of Domino's operation, a global pizza machine churning away day and night. But this begs the question, what exactly goes into all that dough and the countless pizzas it produces? Stick with me, because we're about to dive deep into the belly of the beast and uncover the shocking truth about Domino's pizza ingredients. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, we're all guilty of relying on fast food from time to time. Whether it's a quick lunch during a hectic workday or a late-night snack after a long day, fast food has become an integral part of our lives. It's not just about convenience, it's about the comfort and familiarity that these meals bring. We all have our go-to orders, our favorite spots, and our guilty pleasures. It's quick, it's easy, and let's be honest, it can be pretty damn tasty. The allure of fast food lies in its ability to deliver a satisfying meal in a matter of minutes. And when it comes to fast food, few names are as recognizable as Domino's Pizza. With its wide array of toppings and crust options, Domino's has something for everyone. And when it comes to fast food, Domino's Pizza is a household name, a familiar friend at the end of a long day. Whether you're ordering for a family movie night or a solo dinner, Domino's promises a hot, delicious pizza delivered right to your door. But have you ever stopped to think about what goes into making that pizza? But how much do we really know about this pizza giant? Beyond the cheesy goodness and the crispy crust, there's a whole world of ingredients, processes, and business strategies that make Domino's what it is today. From the sourcing of ingredients to the logistics of delivery, every step is meticulously planned and executed. Behind the catchy slogans and the tempting deals lies a complex network of ingredients, processes, and yes, controversies. Domino's has faced its share of challenges and criticisms over the years, from questions about ingredient quality to concerns about nutritional value. Yet, it continues to thrive and expand, adapting to changing consumer preferences and market trends. Today, we're pulling back the curtain, peeling off the layers of pepperoni and cheese to get to the heart of the matter. We're diving deep into the world of Domino's to uncover the secrets behind its success and the truths behind the rumors. What makes their pizza so irresistible? How do they maintain consistency across thousands of locations? What exactly is in a Domino's pizza? Are the rumors true? Are the ingredients as fresh and high quality as they claim? We're going to explore every aspect, from the dough to the toppings, to give you a comprehensive understanding of what you're really eating. Are we sacrificing our health for a slice of convenience? With rising health concerns and increasing awareness about what we consume, it's more important than ever to know the nutritional value of our favorite foods. We'll break down the calories, the fats, the sugars, and everything in between. Get ready to have your perceptions challenged. Whether you're a loyal Domino's fan or a curious skeptic, this journey will offer insights that might just change the way you see your next slice of pizza. Now, I'm not one to shy away from a good old-fashioned expose, and the world of fast food ingredients is ripe for the picking. When it comes to Domino's, the rumor mill is always churning. People whisper about artificial flavors, question the freshness of the toppings, and raise eyebrows at the sheer speed at which a pizza appears at their doorstep. Is it magic? Is it science? Or is it something more sinister? The truth, as always, is a bit more nuanced. Yes, Domino's, like many fast food chains, utilizes certain ingredients and processes designed for efficiency and consistency. But does that automatically equate to a culinary abomination? Not necessarily. Let's break it down ingredient by ingredient and separate fact from fiction. Let's start with the foundation of any pizza, the dough. It's the canvas upon which all the delicious toppings will be placed. The dough is where it all begins, and getting it just right is crucial for the perfect pizza experience. Domino's dough is a blend of flour, water, yeast, and a few other additions. Sounds simple enough, right? But the magic lies in the precise measurements and the quality of the ingredients. Each component is carefully selected to ensure the dough rises perfectly and has that signature Domino's texture and flavor. But here's where the industrial scale comes in. At Domino's, the dough isn't just made in small batches. It's produced on a massive scale to meet the demands of pizza lovers worldwide. The process is both an art and a science, combining traditional techniques with modern technology. Remember those 500-pound batches of dough? They're mixed in massive industrial mixers, then portioned out by machines with laser-like precision. This ensures that every pizza crust is consistent in size and texture, no matter where it's made. They're mixed in massive industrial mixers, then portioned out by machines with laser-like precision. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, designed to handle the dough gently yet efficiently, ensuring each portion is just right. The sauce, that tangy tomato concoction that forms the base of flavor, is another carefully calculated creation. It's not just about mixing tomatoes and spices, it's about achieving the perfect balance of flavors that complement the dough and toppings. Domino's has their own specific recipe, a closely guarded secret blend of tomatoes, spices, and yes, probably a bit of sugar. This recipe has been perfected over the years to ensure that every bite of pizza delivers that unmistakable Domino's taste. The cheese, that glorious melted blanket of goodness, is a blend of mozzarella and provolone, shredded and prepped for maximum meltability. This combination ensures that the cheese melts evenly and has that perfect stretch when you take a bite. Every step of the process is designed for efficiency and consistency, ensuring that a Domino's pizza tastes like a Domino's pizza, no matter where you are in the world. From the dough to the sauce to the cheese, every element is meticulously crafted to deliver the perfect pizza experience every time. Now let's talk about that cheese for a moment, shall we? It's the star of the show, the melty, gooey goodness that makes a pizza irresistible. But here's where things get a little sticky. Domino's, along with many other pizza chains, uses a cheese blend that includes modified food starch and cellulose. Now I know what you're thinking. Modified food starch? Cellulose? Those sound more like lab creations than pizza toppings. And you're not entirely wrong. These additives are used to improve the texture of the cheese, prevent clumping, and ensure that perfect melt every time. But are they necessary? Are they safe? That's where the debate begins. And it's not just the cheese that's raising eyebrows. There are several other ingredients and practices that have come under scrutiny. Domino's, like many fast food chains, uses certain ingredients that have sparked controversy over the years. Take L-Cysteine, for example. This amino acid is sometimes added to dough as a dough conditioner, making it more pliable and easier to work with. But what exactly is L-Cysteine, and where does it come from? L-Cysteine is an amino acid that can be found naturally in the human body and in various foods. In the food industry, it's often used to improve the texture and elasticity of dough, making it easier to knead and shape. This can be particularly useful in large-scale food production where consistency is key. However, the sourcing of L-Cysteine can be questionable, as it's often derived from duck feathers or human hair. This has raised ethical and health concerns among consumers. While synthetic alternatives do exist, they are more expensive, leading many companies to opt for the cheaper natural sources. Then there's TBHQ, or tertiary butyl hydroquinone, a preservative found in Domino's garlic oil dipping cups. TBHQ is used to extend the shelf life of oils and fats, preventing them from going rancid. While generally recognized as safe in small amounts, TBHQ has been linked to potential health concerns in higher doses. Studies have shown that high doses of TBHQ can lead to various health issues, including liver enlargement, convulsions, and even cancer in laboratory animals. Although the amounts used in food are much lower, the cumulative effect of consuming multiple products containing TBHQ is still a concern for some health experts. And let's not forget about the issue of cross-contamination. In a busy kitchen environment, it's easy for allergens to be transferred from one food item to another. This can be particularly dangerous for individuals with severe food allergies. With so many ingredients being handled and processed, the risk of allergens ending up in unexpected places is a real concern for those with food sensitivities. Proper training and strict protocols are essential to minimize this risk, but it's an ongoing challenge in the fast-paced world of fast food. So where does this leave us? Is Domino's pizza a culinary abomination? A Frankenstein's monster of processed ingredients and questionable additives? Or is it a harmless indulgence, a convenient and tasty treat that we can enjoy in moderation? The answer, as always, is not so black and white. Domino's, like many fast food chains, represents the complexities of our modern food system. On the one hand, it provides affordable and convenient meals to millions. On the other hand, it relies on industrial processes and ingredients that raise valid concerns about health and sustainability. Ultimately, the choice is yours. Now I've given you a glimpse behind the curtain of Domino's pizza production, but I want to hear from you. What are your thoughts on Domino's ingredients? Do you have any concerns? Have you experienced any issues with Domino's food? Share your thoughts in the comments below and let's get a conversation going. After all, knowledge is power, and the more we know about what we're eating, the better equipped we are to make informed choices. Until next time, stay hungry for knowledge, and don't forget to check out my other videos on the shocking truths behind your favorite foods.